Hello and welcome back to the new tutorial. I'm Nilofer. Today we're going to continue with our fruit series and paint a watermelon. For this video, the materials I'll be using is 100% cotton paper. Please get 100% cotton paper for these because we'll be using a wet and wet technique, and 100% cotton paper works the best. Brushes, I'll be using a mop brush, cypress mop brush. I've been using the same brush for all of the videos in this series, and Princeton velvet touch brush. For colors, we'll be using a bright red from Sunidal. You can use any bright red color, that is fine, and a sap green and a deeper sap green. If you don't have a deep sap green, you can mix blue, right? So let's paint. Again, let's make a water puddle first. In watermelon, we'll be doing a half watermelon first and then the full one. In the half itself, I'll be doing a two half. One is like a proper slice of watermelon, a big slice, and one will be the smaller slice. Create a nice water puddle of the shape you know, that is the semicircle. Right, once you finish doing this, as in all the other videos you have seen, we start adding colors from the edges. Yes, from all the edges, let the color run inside. If it's not running, it's fine. I forgot to make the swatch. I'll just create a swatch. This is like a bright red color. Continue adding another layer of bright red on the corners. So the watermelon does not have any variation in color, except there will be some white patches here and there, which white as in not 100% white, but some colored light color variations. So you try to create that variation. So rinse your brush properly and then just pick up some colors from some places. Take some red again and apply some colors on the sides on a random basis. Once you do this, leave some space. Now I'm going to do a little layer, a small line strip of sap green. So I'm going to leave a very thin line over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my brush. It's much easier. I'm going to switch my brush, and I'm going to do is from here I'm going to leave some white space. I'm going to create a nice thin line of this beautiful sap green or airy green. When you're doing that, I like to blend it a little on the corner sides. I don't like it when it is too proper edgy. So I am very slightly blending it. It's okay if this little bleed happens. It's fine. Sorry. It's fine. It's in the end it's a fruit. It will have a little bit of here and there. It's absolutely cool. Don't worry on that part. Taking some red, and I'm just adding another tones of red, dots of red in my wet and red. Now all these fruits that we are painting in the series, you can scan them and make really cute patterns and create nice beautiful birthday cards or whatever you like. something that is really cool. Birthday cards or normal cards, gift tags, anything. Papers, printing like normal gift papers. So cool. The patterns, put them up on Photoshop, put them, fix them together and make nice, lovely patterns. Sets of things, anything, you know. So I've made a triangle watercolor and I'm repeating the same technique what I did over here. I'm gonna let this dry and then add the seeds of watermelon. Keep your red as bright, let it be like nice and bright so it looks fresh. It gives you a nice fresh effect of the watermelon. When it's drying, I'll just pick up some and create some white spaces here and there. Again, I'm switching my brush. I'm going to be making a thin line over here. Here, if you want, you can make a bigger one too. It's fine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. We create different videos, different types of videos on watercolor and post them every week on Friday. Every Friday. And you can follow us on Instagram. My handle is Leave with a Pencil. And yes, we're there. We post a lot of lovely content on watercolor and calligraphy. So subscribe to our channel and for new amazing watercolor videos, tutorials. So we're gonna let it dry now. We're gonna let this dry now. Let it dry. Let's create the full watermelon. Alright? Again, for this full watermelon, I'll be using this repeating the same sap green, and for a darker shade, I'm gonna be using this little dark shade of beautiful color. It's really lovely. This is from Daniel Smith. Right? So let's make a water puddle first. Creating a nice big watermelon. Here. It's an oval shape, so remember, don't make a circle watermelon. There are circle watermelons too, though. But I like to go with a nice, beautiful oval shaped watermelon. Nice. So I've got this. I'm going to take some nice, beautiful sap green. Repeat my technique. If you think it's too bright or something, you can take another color and mute it. If you find if this color is very, very bright, just mute it a little. And it's beautiful patterns. So a little bit of nice bright colors cannot harm you much, right? It's spreading it out now. When it is drying, let it dry a little. When it is semi-drying, we will add nice strokes like these. If I add it now, it will will come out nice. So I'm going to add a little bit of it, not much. You can see I'm just very lightly touching the brush, hardly like adding any strokes to precise. So this is just creating a nice visual boundaries. After it dries, I'll come back to it and add more details with the thinner brush. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and had fun painting the watermelons with me. See you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.